Hello and thank you for joining me. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to block third-party cookies in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Blocking cookies can help protect your privacy and reduce unwanted tracking while you browse. Let's get started with the full walkthrough now. First, open the Microsoft Edge app on your mobile device. Next, look for the three-line menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. After that, proceed by tapping on Site Settings. Following this, click on Site Permissions to view the list of available permissions. From here, tap on Third-Party Cookies. Finally, select Block Third-Party Cookies to stop websites from tracking you across the web. And that's it. You've successfully blocked third-party cookies in Microsoft Edge Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.